Time to make the On Air sign. It's made of several parts that I've coloured here. These are the blocks at the end. And there's the acetate that we're going to use at the very end, but for the moment we're just going to stick the blocks on. This section needs to be on the top, okay? The lined section, because that's where we're going to hide our screwdriver. So you're going to start off by, I would suggest, putting glue all around the edge of the On Air sign. It makes it much easier to control the placing of the items. I've been quite generous there. So this is the top of the On Air, placing it so, pushing down and making sure that it is sitting correctly. And these are the side units, placing those. Again, it's not perfect at the moment, don't worry. This last piece helps everything fit together. There we go. And now you can start adjusting to make sure that the angle that you've got your blocks is right. And I'm pretty happy with that already. So I'm just going to adjust that just slightly. Pinch just slightly. I'll leave that to glue, and I'm going to pinch it together using my favourite, which is the clothes pegs, and making sure it's sitting comfortably. And you can see that's pretty square on. And whilst that's drying, I'm going to show you how I fold the acetate. So you get a small piece of acetate, cut it down to the measurements shown. And what you're going to do is you're going to fold it in half. And then I would use some sort of tool. You can even use, like, I've got the edge of a ruler. You could use that instead if you wanted to, rather than my folding tool. And then that pops inside to make the letter red, or the lighting red. Well, the lettering and the lighting, I suppose. It'll be quite snug. You can pop it in now and the glue will hold it in place. I'll use my scalpel just to push it in place. Here we go. Here we go. Making sure that the pieces are still holding tight. Yeah, they are. And that is your On Air sign. We're just going to pop some light behind that.